Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to change age on Pinterest. For that, simply you need to open the Pinterest on your device. Make sure to log in into it, and on the bottom right corner you can see the people icon. Tap on it to get access to your profile. Then once you are here on top right of the screen, you will see the setting icon, or simply you need to tap on it and you will be access to the setting page where you need to tap on account management. Once you are on the account management, you need to tap on personal information. Here you can see your personal information, that is your birth date, gender, country or region, and the language. For changing the age on the Pinterest, you need to simply tap on birthday. Once you appear on this birthday page, here you can see the update option on the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on update and the birthday has been updated. Go back again to birthday and you can just tap on it and choose the new birthday, or you can edit the age here by increasing your year or decreasing your year or changing your month and the date. Once you have done, simply tap on OK and now tap on update. So your birthday has been changed. This will change your age on the Pinterest. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.